Warning: before you begin, this video is not a replacement for reading and understanding the precautions and procedures outlined in the service manual. It is a training aid for qualified and authorized service professionals. Also, be sure to reference the user manual, the installation guide, and the service manual for any further questions as well as warnings that may apply to this particular unit. Please note, before removing the ice maker, all ice must be defrosted away from the direct cool line. Begin by removing power from the unit. Once power is removed, open the door and remove the ice bucket. Then, remove the screw holding on the wire access cover. Once screw is removed, remove cover. Next, remove the one screw holding on the drain plate. Once that screw is removed, press the clip to lower the drain plate. Be careful of the wires connected. Disconnect the wire harness and remove the drain plate. Next, remove the two screws holding on the direct cool contact plate. Once the screws are removed, gently remove the contact plate. Next, with your finger, gently pry down on the direct cool line to remove it from the ice maker. Press the locking tab on the ice maker to release it. Once released, pull ice maker out, being careful of the direct cool line.